Hello, my name is Yannick and in this video we're building a Lego hotdog. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and stay tuned for more building tips. If you like this video, give it a like and also check my other building tutorials by hitting the playlist on the screen. Let me know down in the comments if you have any building ideas. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and stay tuned for more building tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video of Break It.